Hello everyone, today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 1161, maximum level sum of binary tree. Let's read out the problem. Given the root of a binary tree, the level of its root is 1. The level of its children is 2, and so on. Return smallest level x such that the sum of all values of node at level x is maximal. Okay, so we are given a binary tree, and in that we have to tell which level has the maximum sum. And if there are multiple levels that have same values, then we have to return the lowest level. So we can do one thing, we can perform BFS and calculate the sum at each level. For example, at level 1 the sum is 1, at level 2 7 plus 0, this is 7, and at level 3 this is 7 minus 8 will be minus 1. So at level 2 the sum is 7, which is maximum, therefore we will return uh, 2. So now let's code it. I will need an answer equals to, by default I'm keeping it 0, and max sum I'm keeping it int main. Now I will need a queue for performing BFS. So, and I will push root, and it will run until it get to empty. I will take a variable sum equals to 0, and one more variable n equals to q dot size, and I will run while n minus minus auto f equals to q dot front, and I will pop it. Okay, and if front left is left not not equals to null, then I will push it. Similarly we will do for right also. And in S we will add f dot value, and now we will check if s is greater than max sum, Okay, one more thing. We will get a variable c equals to 1. This variable will tell the current level. Then we will do and equals to c and c plus plus. Okay, after this we will return answer. Let's check it. I think I did something wrong. For example, we when it is here, then value of c is 1. Then again we got maximum. Okay, here we did wrong. Here it will be maximum equals to s. Let's run it. Okay, now submit. Okay, it got accepted. Now let's discuss the time complexity. Time complexity is O of v plus e. That is vertices and number of vertices and edges